Okay, what the? Okay. Hi guys. This is not Twisted. This is Mini Tornadoes 2. I'm gonna be playing with, drum roll, Sebastian. He's back in
Yeah.
another video. Um, this video is special. Do you guys want to know why? He has admin commands in this game. So, go ahead and change the cape to something crazy, like 30,000 cape.
Okay. There we go. That should be enough.
See the capes? 3,000 cape.
Oh, whoopsie. Hold up. I didn't save it. I'll just do
Yeah, let's start off with 15,000 cape and 500
15.
SRH. Or actually 10,000 cape, 500 SRH, 450 SRH. So, 10,000 cape and 450 SRH.
Okay. There we go. Why isn't it modifying? What are
What's
the
going on?
admin commands doing? Oh, I know why. Is it fixed? No.
What is going on?
What? Oh, okay. Alright. I fixed it.
Alright, can you change the P watt to 1? Or actually 0.1.
Okay. What? To... I don't know if I can.
What's the lowest you can do?
That... Hold up. Yeah, I think I put the P watt to none. Oh, I didn't.
Just whatever the least is. We want to be able to see everything.
Alright.
And let's try to stay on the road because...
Alright, so the game says it has no P watt, but it has no P watt. I don't know
Okay,
what.
that's fine. You can go ahead and turn the time to 5 a.m. Destroy the, 5 a.m. Destroy all storms and reset the map. I'm gonna undeploy here. Okay, there we are. Everything's
Here
loading
we go.
in. Whoa! I'm in a house. Wait, can you get in here?
Oh, I'm trying. Hold on.
Yo!
Oh yeah, we
Alright,
found our secret hiding spot. I don't know
alright.
if I can get it. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Can we get into the news? Aw. Wait, can you
This
glitch
one
your...
is-
Hold on. Reset the map. I want to try something.
Alright. Go. Alright, I think I am in the building. Yep. Oh no.
I'm stuck in the news building.
I'm in the middle of it.
Or
Let's
I'm stuck
reset map.
in the radar. Anyways,
I think
there's a
it's a
storm,
grassy.
I think. Is that a new storm?
Yeah. I think that's a new
Let's
storm.
check. Yeah, it's a new storm. No, it's an old storm.
It is.
I'm not even sure anymore. No,
I think
it's a new
it's
storm.
new.
It was a new storm.
Oh, there's a
Alright, so
tornado.
let's be sure to stay on the road because you actually go faster on the road. They updated it. So, okay, we just got a funnel right now. Okay, it's going like straight south.
Oh, this thing's coming fast.
Yep.
I'm gonna.
I'm gonna try to take a left down this road and just wait for it. The rain isn't actually too bad.
Yeah, I don't
Okay,
know what
go to
happened with that.
settings
Right.
and turn off
Boy.
new scans. Hide new scans, yeah, so we don't know, Oh, it's coming right for you. It's coming right for you. You better get over here.
Oh. Uh-oh, I didn't make it in time.
Did you turn off new scans?
I'm undeploying. Hold not yet. I'm trying to.
I'm gonna go a little bit more south, because there's no probes in this game. If they added probes, that would be amazing. Gotta be
We should
light
put
up
the tornado quality to 5.
quality.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't see any difference.
Not really, but it's fine. I guess it's better.
Yeah. They updated this game like mega, so it should be pretty fun. We're gonna after this tornado, I think. Oh, it shifted more east. Dang it! The top. Ooh, careful! You just almost
Oh my
shoved me off the
goodness.
side. Turn around. I think. Wait, the house. Maybe the house. Is the house gonna get slabbed?
I mean, like,
Oh, it might hit the bridge. It might hit the bridge.
I'm gonna deploy right here. Oh no, it's gonna hit you.
I'm not sure.
Uh-oh.
Yep, dropping it down. Dropping it down. Dropping it down. What?
Did you not get any wins?
No.
What? Goofy
It's
tornado?
green TVS.
Wait, what is it doing?
It's green TVS. I think it died. It's lifting.
Okay. Dang.
Let's modify it. Let's go back to this town. Let's go back to the town over here.
Okay. Is it lifting or is it?
It lifted. Yeah.
Yes, it's lifting.
Yeah, it's green
Huh.
TVS. Alright, so let's modify cape. Let's do 20,000 cape. And
Yep.
600 SRH. Okay. 36. Ooh, 4812. I see. Okay, let's destroy all
Well,
storms. Yep, there we go. Actually, the town is over
oh,
there. So, later in this video, we're going to do like plus 500 billion cape.
oh yeah, there's no limit to how much cape I have.
Yeah, he can do anything he wants. You can buy admin commands in this game if you guys want to do. You just go to shop and private server. Wait, it's only 99.
Yeah.
You don't have to buy these guys. You could just go to cars and get them for free. You just have to unlock them. Like Wind Vault costs Wind Vault costs 30 intercepts. Some cars will cost, like Titus, will cost 200 plus intercept, or a 200 mile per hour intercept. With Tiv 2, it is a 250 mile per hour tornado. So,
We have our
is this the
first
town?
storm.
Is that the town? No, that's the. Where's the town? Because that's not the town, is it? Where's the radar? I don't see the radar.
I
Oh,
don't
we're
know.
at Ridgeview City. Where's the town?
Oh,
Okay, no, it doesn't matter because there's a storm already. So let's review it. It looks like it's pretty aerodynamic. We got the driver's seat, then you got 4 seats back there, and you got a steering wheel. You can't actually go. Okay, yeah, there's no first person, but yeah, you got 4. Oh no, those are the tires. You got 1 seat in here. Yeah, you have 1 seat in here. There's no seat for other. I bet you could probably install seats. There's a tornado.
probably. There is?
Tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground.
Oh, already? Dude, that's
Yeah,
fast.
there's a funnel. There's a funnel.
This thing's gonna get crazy. With 20,000 cape? This is
600
crazy.
SRH. I don't think this. This is just chaos, honestly. A
Oh,
48,
it's coming
12.
for the town. Oh no, it's going behind me. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's already expanding. It's expanding.
That thing's getting wide.
Yeah, and it's not even on the
Uh,
ground. It's a nice
says
boulevard.
it's 95 miles per hour already on radar.
On radar?
130.
Do you have the scans on?
You have scans on.
Turn the scans
Have-
off. Like,
Yeah, I'll turn it off.
oh, it's on the ground. Massive wedge on the ground.
I think I have
Oh,
it on.
power flashes, power flashes, power flashes. Where are you? Like, if you go to settings, you can turn new scans
Is it?
off.
Does it have to say false or
Yeah,
true?
it has to say true.
Okay. Well, it still
Oh,
says it's there. What? Maybe I have to
like on
reset
the
my
radar?
character.
On the radar? Oh,
Yeah.
it's auto on the radar, but if it doesn't show for like the tag on the tornado, that's good.
Okay. I have that off then. Oh, I see. Haha, I see. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Oh, okay, I'm alive. I'm upside down.
I'm getting
Purple
wind.
TBS. Purple TBS. I'm resetting. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. Wind vault, wind vault, wind vault. Let's go. Okay. Oh my god. This thing is massive. It is destroying the town. Could you set it back to 5 a.m. or 6 a.m.?
Mhm.
Oh, heavily shift or eastern shift. Yeah, eastern. Well, not heavily, but like it shifted eastern.
Big. There's another tornado in behind
Oh,
me.
there is, there is, there is. I'm gonna stick with
I
this
can't.
one though. Hold on. I just want
I
to see
can't
one
go in
skin.
front of that though. I'll just go over here.
I
Second
turned
tornado's
scans
already
on. I
hitting.
just want to see what it looks like. Like
It's
one skin.
it's massive. What is this?
I wonder what it's gonna be like when we put on. Oh wait, the day changed. The day changed. The thermos just changed.
Oh, well, at least these tornadoes, do they still have the thermos though?
I'm not sure.
I'll put the thermos back. So we had 2,000, 20,000, and 600. Alright, there we go.
It's already down to orange. Okay, I'm gonna head over to this new tornado.
It's green
Some
TBS.
houses are slabbed, like fully slabbed. All right, do we
Oh yeah,
change
that thing
thermos
is
again?
big.
Well, we didn't get a proper intercept. We have to get a 200 mile per hour intercept if we want to change the thermos. 250 plus. So, oh, what is a PY? What is a PY?
The PY is like, oh, that's a lot of PY. If only I can change the PY. It won't let me change the
It
PY
doesn't.
though. Yeah, I don't think so.
Dang it.
I
Oh,
can
we're just
set
now. Oh,
it.
there's two tornadoes. I'm gonna go with the
Yeah,
bigger one. I'm gonna go with the bigger one.
I can spawn in storms, so if I need to, I could spawn in like 20.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do.
Oh,
Like not now,
there's another tornado.
not right now, but like
Oh, goodness.
later on at the end of the video, we're gonna just spawn like 30 different storms with like 5 million cape.
You
Wait,
better have a
we should
good computer.
recreate 90 million cape.
Well, we should actually like
Like our own recreation of 90 million cape.
that'd be insane.
Okay, this one's a
Don't know
wedge. This one's a wedge.
that new one though is massive. I think the other one got the other like thermos
The
and
bad
didn't get the new
yeah, the bad
thermos.
thermos.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's going into town. It's going into town.
I'm hearing debris. Debris getting launched all the way over here.
Okay, it's dark. It's light purple TVS. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Here, deploy, deploy, deploy. And then I'm at it. Oh my god, what is going on with my radar? Got smacked by a road.
Oh my! I see you. I see you. I'm right behind you.
Oh yeah, you are. Oh my god, this thing is massive and it's spinning really fast. These houses are slab.
Oh, I'm getting Winfield.
Yeah, I'm getting as well.
How are we gonna get in front of this thing?
This
So
way. We
big.
gotta go this way. I'm not sure what that other storm's doing. Yeah, only 76 miles per hour. It got the thermos from the last day.
We gotta get in front of this thing.
What are we getting on skins? 244. Oh! I don't think we'll make that. Let's see
I
what
think I will.
direction
I
it's
think
going.
I can.
Okay. Yeah, no. We might not make that. Alright, let's spawn in another storm. It's weakening out.
Alright, I'll delete both of these
166.
quick.
Yeah, let's try to reset your character. Spawn in the windfall again.
Alright, I just despawned. I will
Okay, there's
spawn a
another
storm.
storm. There's another storm.
Oh, I spawned two. It's fine. Sure.
They should add a velocity radar to this. You know what they should do? They should add a velocity radar, a backside winds, and a core. That would make this game 100% better.
Oh yeah.
And they should add, like, when you go into tornadoes, like they should add effects to when you like enter the inside of a tornado. That would make this game a billion times better, and I would play this every single day.
Oh yeah. Okay, big storm, big storm. We got two big storms.
So they don't really have hooks, so we don't really know where they're going to be. I'm going to check Twisted Discord.
Sometimes they go in the middle. I'm gonna check RW, see if they have any like stuff going on. We have a tornado.
Oh, we do?
Two tornadoes. Two tornadoes.
Two
Which one looks better this time?
tornadoes?
Yeah. Actually, there's one right
Which one's
here.
bigger? Oh, that one's bigger. That one. Wait.
This one's right here.
This one's bigger. So
90
if it ever gets to, oh
something.
wait. My new skins are on.
Same. Okay, I'm gonna deploy like
I'm probably not
right.
gonna deploy.
Yeah, I'll probably come right here
Actually,
deploying.
I might. Oh, yeah.
Getting wind.
I'm getting wind.
Okay.
This is the road I'm going on. No, actually, I lied. Oh, they're both big. They're both big and they're both pink TBS. Yep, I'm going on this road down here. Okay, yes, we're right. This one is way bigger. This one is 100% bigger. What'd you get, Max?
Like 200 something.
Okay. Did you like get inside it?
Yeah, I got pretty close to like the middle of it. I don't think I got middle though.
Can't see that ring.
Oh.
That is insane. Okay, I can turn the volume on now.
It's crazy. I'm on the plane.
Is it getting stronger? Oh, it's getting stronger. I'm just gonna turn on these angels for a second. Just 308 to 388.
Oh my goodness.
We're so lucky we incepted just then.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I can get back in front.
Alright, I'm
The
gonna
other
go
one is
ahead.
black. The other one is black TVS. Tornado
Alright,
2,
change the
426 miles per hour.
Alright, how much cape do we want for the
Okay,
new
here,
storm?
reset your character. Let's double it. 40,000 cape.
I have to leave soon, so should we just send it?
Yeah, let's full send it. 50 million cape, 50 million SRH, 50 million degrees, 50, 100%.
I'm just gonna do the
Yeah,
max.
just max everything.
Okay, okay.
Oh god, oh god. It's a
Okay.
Marshall day, bro.
No, just wait.
What? This is their server we're playing on? Wait, can you set it back? Wait, let's try to roll. Okay, set it to 6 a.m.
Oh no.
No. It's minus. That's too much, bro.
Set it to six what?
Set it to 12 or 1 a.m. Set it to 1 a.m.
Reverse time. Alright, how much cape do we want?
Wait, what? No, set it to 4 a.m. 5 a.m. 6 a.m. maybe? Why? I'm trying to get the PWAT to change. What?
Is the PWAT bad?
Yes, the PWAT is bad. It's
What if I
2.59.
go like
Try like
I'll try 10.
level 11. Try it. Oh yeah. 11 p.m. 11 p.m.
That's 11 a.m. Then I'll do 12. Then I'll do 1. Will that be the whole day cycle? No, I don't think it's working. Alright, so
Just
are
set
we
it
just
to
gonna
6
send it?
a.m. Just set it to 6 a.m.
Okay.
Do 50 million, 90 million cape. Just a normal day. Thermos isn't too great. This is shoot. It still says it's a 0
There we
0.
go. Just wait.
Oh,
Now look at it.
that's 9 million cape. 1, 10,
Oh, I need
100,000,
to add
10,000,
another 0.
100,000 million. Yeah, that's 9 million.
Alright, I'll just go. Alright, that's good. Back. Should be, that's
Oh
90
god.
million.
Okay. Yeah. Can you set the temperature?
No. Well, I can set the surface RH.
Yeah. Set the surface RH to 100%.
100. Alright. Alright, are we good?
Yep. This is good. All right. Spawn in your
I'll
wind vault
change it back.
and okay. Spawn a storm. Leave. Go the opposite direction of it. Go the opposite direction. Actually, no.
Alright, spawn.
Reset everything. Not the storm zone. Reset the buildings. Oh, okay. Get in the tower. Get in the tower. I'm gonna try to get inside the tower. Yep. Deploy. Okay. Spawn a storm.
Hold on. Let me reset it one more time. Just stay where you are. 'Cause I'm not in anything. Oh no. Reset! Come on. I need to get in this building right here. If I get in here, I'm good.
No. I'm going to the news building. Okay. No.
Yes, I'm in.
Reset it again. No.
Okay.
Tornado's gonna form any second.
Sorry. Reset.
Let me in. I'm good, I think. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Deploy. Okay.
Oh my goodness. Here we go. Oh no. We have our
Spawn 30.
funnel.
Spawn like 100 billion storms. Like
Oh no.
spam click the storms.
Oh.
It's moving towards us.
Oh my.
Just keep
Oh
spawning.
my.
There
Spam spawn
should
though.
be enough. There should be enough.
Alright. Oh, I'm left. This building is gone. So there's just one tornado, and then the other ones will spawn soon. Oh my goodness. This thing's just spawned. What? Oh, what are those? Oh, look at all the tornadoes. Look at all the tornadoes on the radar.
My game is lagging.
Oh my. We are. Wait. I think we broke the game. Oh my. Look, there's so much storm. Oh
One is 40 miles wide. Look, 40.96 miles wide.
my. That's what I'm looking at above me. Oh no. So. Okay, I'll turn it down. I'm turning mine down. Turning mine down. Okay, I'm getting some frames back. Oh my. Wait, you're gone. What? Only one tornado's gotten that strong right now. 270 on one of them.
Okay. Hold on. Reset our storms.
Okay. So just delete.
Is it working?
Yeah, I'm deleting them. Oh no, I think we spawned too much. Cause I actually spammed it.
Wait, is it
Are they
deleting?
at all?
Oh, they're deleting, I think.
I'm getting frames back, so that means
Some of
something.
them are, yeah. I'm getting
Right?
4 FPS currently.
4?
5
I'm getting
FPS. 6,
I'm
7,
getting 40.
10, 21,
Oh, I
32.
deleted the big one. I deleted the big one.
Okay.
Alright. Oh,
Let's try
there's
the
my
second
frame.
one. Okay, don't reset just yet. Don't reset anything yet.
I think we should just spawn one so we can actually see this thing.
Okay. Yeah, reset.
Alright. Hold up. Okay, new storm. And become the vault. The vault. Okay.
Reset the
Vehicle.
stuff.
Oh, they're all gone. I'm just gonna get in some random building. Alright, here we go. Hopefully I'm in a building.
Okay.
Yep, I'm
This is perfect. I'm lodged in the tower. Now nothing can
does
kill me.
that sound right? Does the tower not break?
I don't think so. Let's just spawn one storm.
Well, one storm has already spawned.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm in the weather building.
Yeah, no, I didn't survive in there last time. I don't think you're gonna survive.
You didn't even survive. We didn't even survive 2 minutes.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm
Oh,
sliding. My car's sliding.
wait, what? Oh, I'm seeing it slide. Wait, you might pop out. Where did the stuff go? Okay, no, we're good. We just reset. We have a tornado.
Hold on, reset again.
We have a tornado. Oh, reset it?
Yeah, reset.
Okay. Oh, just pushed you out of the way. We're deployed.
Oh, wait, wait, wait. Oh, no. This thing. Oh. Clear all storms. This one's tiny.
It was the
Oh, thermos
thermos.
reset.
Alright, let me just delete the thing.
Okay, let's make it
Alright,
crazy.
we
500
gotta do
million.
this.
Okay, 500 million. Just spam 50000000000.
Okay, so like that much?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's
That's
yeah.
good.
There we go.
That's too much SRH.
Lower the SRH, or I'll do like that much.
Did you even change it?
Oh,
Okay, there we go. Yeah.
yeah.
All right, reset it. Reset the stuff. Reset it.
Okay, I gotta hold up. Reset. Destroy storm. Spawn storm. There we go. I got like 20-minute windows open. There we
Dang it,
go.
dude. It keeps unlodging. Oh no. Reset again. Reset again.
Oh
I
no.
need to get in the weather tower. That should be fine, right? Yes. What is?
Oh.
No. Okay. I'm gonna try to get in here. That should be fine. Reset.
All right. Oh, there
That's
we
good. That's
go.
good. That's good. Oh my
No,
god.
I don't think it'll work. You gotta get some building.
Let me guess. It made me. Just spawn a storm. Just spawn a storm.
Is there no storm right now?
No.
Oh, there is. Okay, I'll spawn a couple.
And reset again. I need to get in your building. Let me just get in your building.
Here we go. Oh yeah, you're good. You can actually like if you reset one more time.
Yeah.
Uh oh.
Is there a storm?
Uh-oh.
Is there a
Yep,
storm?
there's a...
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh.
This should be fine. Yeah. I'm just gonna deploy.
There's two
I'm
tornadoes.
not deploying. Oh my god. Look, the spikes are.
Alright, we're good.
It is going.
Will we survive?
Spiking.
Oh my.
Oh, why are they both 40.96 miles away?
Oh my. Oh, nice. What place is gone? Oh my. What is happening? god. Oh my.
Check weather.
This
Okay,
you,
the
you
scan
see
is
the
not
thing?
working. Scan is not
You
working.
see the you see the thing spinning around us?
Yeah.
That's the tornado.
Uh, Let me turn on scans.
Oh my goodness.
I'm not seeing anything.
Well,
Scans.
as soon as I spawn, I'm cooked in any vehicle. Yep, I'm gone.
Don't spawn in a
Deploy.
vehicle.
Deploy.
They're all black TVS. They're 400 plus. I'm gonna try to scan in Dow 6.
Oh yeah, well, we gotta get as far away from this thing as we can.
Deployed. Deployed. Okay, I think I might be able to scan. I think it's possible. It's possible.
I'm just gonna
Scan.
climb
Scan.
over here.
Gather the data. Gather. Gather. 26. I couldn't see. I couldn't see. It didn't let me. I just instantly died. Try to scan with the Dow 6.
I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run. I'm
I
gonna run
instantly died.
out.
I instantly died. It doesn't matter. It'll always spawn you at the town.
Right, come on. I'm gonna get like out of the
Deploy.
tornado,
Gathering data. Okay.
or as far away as I can from the tornado. Even though that's impossible because the
It'll
tornado
always
is
spawn you
big.
at the town. Deploy. Scan. Oh my
All right,
god.
go.
It's impossible to scan. Let me check the radar. Scan info. There's nothing on the scan. Scan, you stupid radar. Next scan in 15. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Scan, scan, scan it, scan it, scan it, scan the data. 559. I saw 559.
All right, I need
559.
to.
Deploy, scan, scan. I died. Try to scan. Oh my god, there's a massive wedge right here. I'm looking at this wedge.
All right, I gotta go.
Oh, bye. 573. Holy. 458. Okay. Deploy, scan, scan, scan. We can scan. We can scan. 850. 850. 850. Oh god. 1,190. 1,190. Oh my god. Okay, we need to try that again. Deploy. Come on. Gather data. 960. 389. 960. Is that the radar? Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. What is this? Let's try to scan again. Boy, scan. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. Tornado 1. 267. Or 667. 496. 1,408. 1,386. Oh my god. I'm ending it here. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. 715. I'm gonna try scanning again. Come on. Dang, you can't scan anything. Oh, see, that's the massive wedge. No, that's. Oh my god. That is the wedge. Oh my god, let's try scan again. We can survive. Tornado 1, 722. Tornado 2. Dang it. Oh my god, what is going on? Goodbye, guys. Oh my god. um watch this video. Let's get 20 views. No, 10 views. 10 views for part 2 and 1 like. 10 views and 1 like for part 2. Alright guys, bye.